Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will be replacing the LCD cover and screen on the HP 15CS laptop. For this, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Let's get started. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To begin, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as we will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to damage the clips. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover off, we can now access the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust and debris inside using the microfiber cloth. This is a great opportunity to ensure your laptop runs efficiently. Next, we will focus on the LCD cover. Carefully disconnect the battery to prevent any accidental power surges. Now, locate the screws holding the LCD screen in place. These are typically found along the edges of the screen. Remove these screws, and gently lift the screen away from the laptop. If you find the task daunting or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can get expert help without any commitment to repair. Now, let's replace the screen. Take your new LCD screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Be sure to tighten them carefully to avoid any damage. Once the screen is secured, it's time to reattach the LCD cover. Align it properly and press gently until it clicks into place. If you need assistance with transport, note that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs convenient. Before reassembling the back cover, reconnect the battery. This is crucial to ensure your laptop powers on correctly after the repair. If you want to confirm costs before proceeding with any repair, we always provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it snaps back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure it. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the LCD cover and screen on your HP 15CS laptop. Make sure to power it on to verify everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we're here to help with no calls, no travel needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.